Here are the key features. Network isolation. AWS recommends that you run your database instances in a virtual private cloud, VPC, which allows you to isolate your database in your virtual network. VPC enables you to run a DB instance within a private subnet, making it secure from direct public routes on the internet. You can control network access to your DB instances in VPC using security groups at the instance level and network ACLs in the subnet level. VPC traffic are connected to your on-premises IT infrastructure using industry-standard encrypted IPsec VPNs and can be further inspected by your on-premises security infrastructure, including network firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Resource level permissions. Amazon RDS is integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management, AWS IAM. It provides you the ability to control the actions that your AWS IAM users and groups can take on specific Amazon RDS resources, from database instances through snapshots, parameter groups, and option groups. You can also tag your Amazon RDS resources and control the actions that your IAM users and groups can take on groups of resources that have the same tag and associated value. For example, you can configure your IAM rules to ensure developers are able to modify development database instances, but only database administrators can make changes to production database instances. Encryption at rest and in transit. Amazon RDS allows you to encrypt your databases using keys you manage through AWS Key Management Service, AWS KMS. The database uses a customer master key stored in AWS KMS to encrypt the data keys, which encrypt the data at rest in the database. Its automated backups, read replicas, and snapshots are also encrypted. Amazon RDS supports transparent data encryption, TDE, in SQL Server and Oracle. Transparent data encryption in Oracle is integrated with AWS Cloud HSM, which allows you to securely generate, store, and manage your cryptographic TDE master encryption keys in single-tenant hardware security module, HSM, appliances within the AWS cloud. With TDE, the database software encrypts data before storing it on disk. In addition, Amazon RDS secure data in transit. You can use Secure Socket Layer, SSL, or Transport Layer Security, TLS, from your application to encrypt a connection to a RDS DB instance.